And so once that, now what we got to do? We got to go in the street and grind.
They did an experiment to where they showed that in just a general application, when the only thing is different is the name is like LaQuisha versus Amy.
Yeah.
And they was having black girls apply under these Amy type names, and they was getting picked way more versus when they was coming with the colloquial names.
Oh man, and it's like we know this. Even though we gonna put this on your application now, we understand we don't have to put black on your application around. But let me say that name. So Isha, you know what I'm saying? All that, yeah, they got you.
They got you.
They got you.
On God. So so do you think that so he, in your opinion, him being a plant, I can see why you would be suspicious of that, especially when, this is what I don't get, bro. You can't be black and be on a traffic stop and flinch without getting shot in your back.
And that's period. That's like, what things like, even in America, period, I just seen white people have AKs walking the army right there. They telling them, put it down. Even when the police got killed, right? I think that was Texas. Yes. He got an AR. Can you put your AR down? Can you put you down? And he dropped him. I thought as a black man, they seen it, boo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
You know the guy, the dude, I think his name is Dylan Roof, that the black people's in church. Right. They let him come in and he dumped him out. Right. When he got arrested and that the police is transferring him, not only did they buy cuz Burger King, they put a bulletproof vest on him.
You know, yeah, because they want to protect him. They feel he did something good for America. That's what niggas, that's why I understand, like we taught all this stuff, like, but don't get wrong. Some people, you're not awoken, bro. So you can't be mad at the people that's not awoken. It's a system we was brought in. You see the pain, you see your family members dying, you hate these other people. But it's the system we already brought from the gate. So we taught this from the gate to hate each other. We're the only race like that. Then we're the only race that talk about everybody else. We want to talk about even the different communities, LBG, all these communities, right? We want to talk about them. Oh, this and that, and they not right, this and all this stuff. But they loyal as hell to each other. The Hispanics, they're loyal as hell.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? It's like, let's do that first. You know what I'm saying? Before we talk about the next person, let's take that. Let's get our shit together. Like, support each other. Let's get this shit going. Like, why nigga, he gonna sign this deal. He did all this for this man. He making this man rich. But ain't no black man went in there and helped him and put nothing together and try to help him do nothing.
You're right.
You know what I'm saying?
I don't want to use the phrase, but they say we like them creatures in a bucket. And for some reason, we can't stand to see anybody higher up in that bucket over than us, and we gonna do everything.
And that's you know what I'm saying? It's like even Jay say, you know what I'm saying? He said I say a big verse to bigging up my brother. Like, I need to bigging up I want my whole community, I want my whole team to eat.
Right.
I want my niggas to be out here grinding. You know what I'm saying? And how I'm gonna have them grinding if I'm sitting back just, hey, y'all go do your thing. Hey, y'all. No,
tell me this: have you learned this moving around? Since you've been maneuvering in the industry, and you know how it go? Like, I take my energy like from the yard, like you do. So I'm in the industry. Niggas got the last name Crip. So I approach niggas the same way I would approach them on the yard.
Right.
It should be easy politicking. Have you ran into like it's going the way it should, or is niggas acting industry, or is they keeping it the way you would expect a Crip to keep it, just based on we out here? And we approaching.
Everything I approached, it's been all love. You know what I'm saying? It's been love. Like, you know what I'm saying? It been niggas like, we done been chopping up, we done did a lot of shit with different people, you know what I'm saying? Just been, that's my energy. My energy, I ain't gonna give you that, my nigga, because that's not right. Nigga, I'm gonna be 35 years old in November.
Salute.
You know what I'm saying? I don't give I did that already.
Right, exactly.
And I know what that gonna cause, now, nigga, what I'm saying? And definitely, this was insanity, right? Doing the same thing over and over, just expecting different results, right? So I'm gonna get the same result. So I gotta change my program. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, I quote this all the time. Steve Harvey said, nigga, if you change your attitude, you change your altitude. And nigga, that's what I nigga been on. Like,
so is it CEO Slim? Is it CEO ODM?
Oh yeah, ODM is the team. You know what I'm saying? That's the team I created. This.
And what's ODM stand for?
Out the mud.
Out the mud.
Out the mud entertainment.
So we know C-Mac is like the most popular name, but is there a roster? Is it a lineup?
Oh, it's a roster, nigga. I guess C-Mac the popular name, but C-Mac's the entertainer. He's an all-time entertainer. I have rappers.
Because like, okay, we know the homie a rapper. Okay, but we know he's not a rapper.
No, I'm saying,
he blew up.
If y'all listen to anything C-Mac did, we priors, look at any time you on the team, we on Dre 5, you on Fast So, any soak you on.
Shout out Dre 5.
You know what I'm saying? They shout out my nigga Fast So. Nigga, as soon as they get in that studio with him, it ain't no playing with him. We finna do this. Come with some bars. He come with them bars. All right, take that one out.
Right.
All right, woo, that's cool. All right, change that up a little bit though. Come different.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And they like that. Right. They see the growth. Right. That's his team. That's why I knew once they get around these people, that he gonna become a rapper. Right. You know what I'm saying? Even though he was doing all the other stuff in the beginning, I knew he was gonna become a rapper. But I started seeing after he started doing his other different things, he started falling back into them things. But once you get back around this group, you're gonna understand this album he finna drop is finna be crazy. You know what I'm saying?
That's right. So who else is on the roster? You got
I got Factz Alonso, I got Napo, I got Pappy Rollin', I got Shimmy by the way, I got Normandy FBS. Who else I got? I got a whole roster. I got one out of Tampa. She from Tampa, Florida. You know what I'm saying? Her name Nina.
And it's all out the mud.
Out the mud entertainment. I got a producer. He produce. He write. He do all types of stuff. My nigga Quest. You know what I'm saying?
Did you ever have the opportunity to meet or know Neighborhood Nip?
Man, that's my boy. Yeah, Nip was nigga. I knew Nip. Thundercat.
Just in general. Just out of random, what do you think he meant to the culture as far as what we actually got to experience and versus what we would have had we had him longer? What do you think he would have been potentially capable of doing?
All right, I feel like God, you know what I'm saying, everything it's a plan, you know what I'm saying? So it was taken away the right way, right? What happened, he got this a plan. But you understand all the people that he didn't sprouted, G Perico, me, it's a gang of people that they really community activists. They really in their community. They really doing their thing. Right. You know what I'm saying? So Nip got a lot of niggas in him. Right. Straight up. So he's the beginning.
I seen the nigga Jay Harless from Hoover was getting interviewed by some out of town niggas in his hood, and they was asking him like what he want to do when he experienced music success. What's his vision? And he was like, man, I wanna like build my hood, buy some property right here. Right. And the interviewer asked him like, okay, where you get that idea from? And it was obvious that the interviewer was suggesting
Nip. Right.
But Cuz turned that down. He was like, I just got that out. That's just out my head. Like, it was just a moment that passed. But yeah, he did inspire.
And a
lot of people.
Niggas like, all right, YG, all these niggas, even niggas you gotta understand, he broke barriers.
Indeed.
You know what I'm saying? He made it cool to be a Crip in this game. It was dominated by Bloods. Real talk. You know what I'm saying? When he came in, he made the way. You know what I'm saying? And then he made the way by not just trying to do it by himself and do this. No, I'm gonna embrace these niggas. You know what I'm saying? And he went to put a Blood on the roster. You know what I'm saying? Man,
shout out Killer Twine.
Come on, Twine. This is my nigga.
The deal to my knot.
The life we living now is all about the money. So what you gonna do when you ain't got no money?